I'm doing this video clip to help people navigate Google Classroom, Doc Hubs, and also make sure that they're set up correctly. Whenever you access Google Classroom, make sure you go via your Gmail and the 9 little dots up the top. Go through the app link, which is just here. And then just select the class that you want to use, obviously 13 Phyto. Don't go into the stream section. It's a bit of a mess because it just posts stuff as I'm actually putting it up. In classwork, I've actually organized it so that it's a lot more easy to understand. First thing first is obviously go down to your Doc Hub workbook. Click on here and then open up your Doc Hub. I'm finding sometimes the edit bar isn't coming up here. So if you click back over here and click back onto the standard that you're working on, then it appears. Now go back to Google Classroom and Classwork and access one of the tasks that I've set for you, say question number 8. Now what I'd like you to do is take a copy of the pictures relating to the fittings in the question that you're actually answering. So if we scroll down to question 8 on the document, it says identify 3 examples of commonly used tables and furniture base fittings. So if we click on here and save to keep, you can actually save image as and save it to your documents. I've already done this earlier, so level a screw. So we'll save it there. And then we can go into Doc Hubs. We click on the little insert image symbol. Click on your documents, select the file and then open. It will come in as a really large picture, so just shrink it down. This little icon here allows you to move it around the screen, so just keep shrinking it down until it fits into the area that you want it to fit into. Now you can just put another text box here and identify what it is. Now this question only asks you what these things are. Identify 3 examples of commonly used tables and furniture base fittings. List each example below. Once you've done that, go up to question 1. In question 1, it relates to every other question down the bottom. So describe the main use of each of the following categories. So if we just scroll down, here it says table and furniture base fittings. The question asks, describe the main use of each of the following categories of hardware. Table and furniture base fittings are used to level off the furniture or allow the furniture to glide smoothly across the floor. Now once you've done that, I just need you to make doubly sure that you've shared your document with me. There's a few that I still cannot access, so click on the share button and make sure that my name is written in here. So this email address is in here, and then send, and that will allow me to contribute. If I can't see it, I can't actually give you feedback on your work. Then you can close this all down. Go through each of the tasks in classwork and just make sure that you've filled all these out. Then go into your Doc Hub, complete those questions. Then I'll be able to give you feedback directly onto your Doc Hub